we've been fortunate enough in the research that's been funded by the Australian Food Allergy Foundation to be able to identify small fragments of proteins within peanuts that we're able to use to create a treatment that can be delivered to people with peanut allergy and used to essentially reset the immune system or switch off the allergic response and allow them to be able to tolerate peanut and not to experience anaphylaxis upon encounter. There's no doubt that Australian research has a significant impact in the global picture. Our research from Australia is routinely cited at international conferences and international forums, but I would always acknowledge that it's a collaborative effort. We work in close collaboration with groups in Europe and America and across the world. Funding is very important in science. It allows projects to get off the ground. In this case, it allowed Professors Robyn O'Hehir and Jennifer Rolland, who were leading this project, to employ me to join the team and to expand our team out down the line and have additional people join our team. So it's a way of providing career support for early researchers and enabling us to really establish our careers and make a contribution to research in this field. That's certainly something that this grant that we received from the Australian Food Allergy Foundation has been very important in achieving. And it certainly has been my gateway actually into being able to study allergy and conduct the research I've conducted on this project. Aspects of the immune system. The immune system is incredibly complex and it really relies on people taking multiple approaches and studying different parts of it and to combine that knowledge in order to be able to find the answers that might be able to help treat these diseases. It feels great to be part of a team and part of a research community that's contributing to research in the global setting and being able to make a difference and feeling like we're really actually an important part of making that difference. With allergy is a classic example, also with autoimmunity, where the body has mistakenly interpreted a harmless environmental allergen, such as a peanut or pollens, as a harmful invader, and it's trying to mount an immune response to get rid of that allergen. Essentially, it's the immune system's developed an inappropriate response and has mistaken a harmless invader for something that is harmful and mounted a response to try and get rid of that substance. So the approach, particularly in our research, is really trying to work out what has gone wrong with the immune system, the parts of the immune system that are responsible for driving those inappropriate responses, and ultimately to develop a treatment that can reset the immune system so it no longer thinks that things such as a peanut is something harmful that needs to be reacted against, but something that can just be tolerized as most other people would be able to do so. It will certainly be amazing if we can contribute to a cure and if we can set a benchmark or provide a treatment that goes on to be used in the future. At the end of the day, I think all science is a team effort. It relies on collaboration. Every piece you add to the puzzle, you've been able to do because of research done before you, people in your team that help you in achieving those results, and beyond that there'll be new researchers coming along who are going to help improve those treatments and build on that information. We absolutely had to have science to get where we are today. We now have a small company called Aravax, which we are using to help us develop this product and really give it the best chance of being able to be trialled to see if it can be an effective treatment for people with peanut allergy. It's been critical for us to have access to this sort of funding to be able to get new ideas off the ground and to be able to provide us with the resources to really get the project started and to help keep it moving on. And using that funding, we've been able to then leverage additional funding in order to get us where we are today, which is really with a product that's ready to go into clinical testing. It's certainly an expensive process. It requires a lot of manpower, it requires a lot of equipment, resources, reagents. This is something which the Food Allergy Foundation has been able to help with significantly by providing our team with the resources to be able to conduct the research we have completed. The more funding you can get, the more research you can do. There's no ceiling on the amount of research you can do, and the more research you do, the more likely you're going to be to reach the goal you're trying to achieve. The more likely you're going to be to actually find a cure or that treatment. So it's really critical to have sufficient funding to be able to employ people to do that work. You can't do that without a decent team of people to do the work. Something we found during our project, I was employed on a grant from the Food Allergy Foundation, but as we started to generate exciting data, we needed more than my pair of hands to continue that research, and the Food Allergy Foundation was able to give us additional funding, which allowed us to actually bring on board 2 more people to help progress that research, and that's been really critical to get it to where it is today. This cure will save lives, this treatment could save lives, absolutely.